So, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine today. In this video, we are going to discuss about a topic regarding a question of your LR section, and this question has been derived from a topic named as like arrangement. Okay. So, what does the question says? So, first of all, I let me introduce you that this question is from a topic of arrangements. Okay. So, this question is from the topic of arrangements. This question says that on a particular day, six persons Kalyan, Kumar, Karan, Krishna, and Kirtan boarded a city bus by a bus stop. Okay, there are like six persons, all of them having a name starting from K. They boarded a city bus from a bus stop. Okay, each person wanted to get off the bus at different stop among Brigade Road, Esplanade, Secretariats, Egmore, Saket, and Dadar. Okay, each person is going out of the bus like one by one at the bus stop. Like one of them is like Brigade Road, Esplanade, Secretariats, Egmore, Saket, and Dadar. Which is clearly mentioned that the bus stop's name is like Brigade Road, Esplanade, Secretariats, Egmore, Saket, and Dadar. Not necessarily in the same order. It is not necessary that all of this bus stop has been mentioned in a straight same order. Okay, it's not like that Brigade Road is at number 1, Esplanade is at number 2, Secretariat is at number 3. So there are like different sections. All of this can be at different numbers. Okay, it's not in the same. It is not clearly mentioned that it is in the same order. The bus travels to each other of this stop in specific order. Okay, one by one the bus travels to each of these stops. Further, it is known that now there are some considerations, some logic perceptions has been given in front of us. The questions are like that: Krishna got off the bus at stop immediately after that, at which Kumar got off the bus. Okay, this is a direct information given to us. So when we are solving a questions regarding the arrangements, so we have to consider some information as direct information and some information as indirect information. So here, which is what do you mean by direct information? Direct information is like that an information which is like directly considered in the questions, like which is going to be happen in this question. Okay, and indirect assumption is like which is not going to be considered according to these questions. Okay, I will explain you further in this question. Now let's consider what the first topic of this question says. Krishna got off the bus at a stop immediately after, at which Kumar got off the bus. Okay, clearly mentioned here that, so we can write it here as Krishna got off the bus after Kumar. So Krishna got off the bus after Kumar according to our logical reasoning questions. Okay, Krishna got off the bus stop immediately after Kumar got off the bus. Okay, so Kumar got before Krishna, and Kumar, what's the next point tells us? Kumar, who did not get off the bus at Secretariats. Now we can see that in this question it is mentioned that Kumar, who did not get out at Secretariats. This condition is like an indirect conditioning. Okay, indirect conditioning says that which is not going to suppose happen. Okay, okay, and like direct conditioning says that which is going to happen in the question. Okay. And now we can see that in this second point, that Kumar, who did not get off the bus at Secretariats, was not the first person. Now again there is a indirect information given over here. Now it is that what Kumar will neither get out at the Secretariats bus stop of Secretariats, and neither he will be the first person among the six to get off the bus. Okay, we can write here that Kumar will not get out at Secretariats, and neither he will be the first person to get off the bus. Okay. For the entire duration, Kiran was in the bus. There was one person named as Kiran. For entire duration, he was in the bus. Okay. It is clearly mentioned that he will not be the first person then. There was at least two people among the six along with him. There was more two people along the six with him. Okay. So you can clearly see in this question that Kiran was some guy, and he will not be the first person, and there was more two person accompanied with him. Therefore he will neither be the sixth person now, neither will the fifth person now, and he cannot be the first person according to this question. We have to assume it till now. Okay, now we have to see that Karan, who was, the fourth point says that Karan was not the last person among the six to get off the bus. Okay, Karan was not the last person. Again there is an indirect information given to us. It is given that what is said that Karan was not the last person among the six to get off the bus. Karan will not be the last person, therefore he will not be at the number 6 spot. Okay. Now what it is said that got off the bus immediately after Saket. He got after Saket. So Saket stop will also, so Karan got off the bus after Saket. So it is clearly mentioned that Saket, if Karan will not be at the 6, then Saket stop will also be not at the number 6. Okay. Yeah, it's clear. Now Karan will not be the person who will get out at number 6, and Saket will also not be the stop to be at the number 6. Now it is clearly said that Brigade Road is a stop. Fifth point says that Brigade Road is a stop immediately after the stop at which Kalyan got off the bus. Now there is like Brigade Road is also a stop immediately after the stop at which Kalyan got off the bus. Okay. So there is a boy named as Kalyan. He got before the Brigade Road out. Okay. So there was a boy named as Kalyan. He got off the bus before Brigade Road. Before or after it is mentioned. Brigade Road is a stop immediately after the stop of Kalyan. Okay. So Brigade Road will be the stop after the stop of Kalyan. Whatever stop should be of Kalyan, Brigade Road is after of that. Okay. So it is according to, so they have some kind of combination. Karan and Saket have some kind of combination. Kiran is alone. Kumar and Krishna have till yet now a combination yet. Let's see what more question informs us. Kiran was not the first. Now I told you before only. Kiran was not the first among the 6 person to get off the bus. Okay, it is clearly mentioned over here. Got off the bus at Igmore. Okay, he got off the bus at Igmore. Okay. Now what is written? While Krishna got off the bus at stop immediately before the other. Now Krishna got off the bus stop immediately after the other. Now we can see that Krishna was some guy. He got off the bus after the other. It is written that Krishna got off the bus at stop immediately before the other. Okay. It is said that Krishna got off the bus before the other. So the other was after the stop of Krishna. So we can see that Kumar, Krishna and the other also have a combination over here. So now let's assemble it in a grid pattern. Okay, what is a grid pattern? I will inform you in that, like what is a direct form, which is like a indirect form. Okay. Now let's see. Here is like Kumar and Krishna. Okay. Kumar will get off the bus before Krishna. It is clearly mentioned over here. He will get out of at certain stop. So when the stop we will mention, it will be in direct form. It is like in which he is not going out of this stop. It's like clearly mentioned that it is not that stop in which Kumar is going out. Okay, so we have to consider those stops over here, and the numbers in which Kumar is not going to be out. So we have to consider it at this slab or this point. Okay. Now there is like Krishna, and we have clearly seen that Krishna got off the bus before the stoppage of the other. Now it is like the other. Now we have some combination of Kumar, Krishna and the other. I have arranged it over here now. Okay. Now Kalyan got before the other. Now we have also a combination of Kalyan and BR. Okay. So wherever the Kalyan was, he got off the bus before BR. Okay. And now Karan got off the bus after the Saket. Okay. We have again the element of Karan and Saket. Now Kiran was someone who got off the bus at Igmore. Okay. Now let's see. It is mentioned in our question that Kumar, who did not got off the bus at Secretariats. Okay. Kumar did not got off the bus at Secretariats. So he will not come out at Secretariats. Let me consider it at ST. He will neither come out at Igmore, because at Igmore Kiran is coming out. Okay, he will not come out at Igmore. He can neither come out at Dadar, because it is clearly mentioned that after Dadar stoppage is after Kumar and Krishna stoppage. Okay. So what is left for him till now? So it is for him. It is left with like Esplanade and the BR and like Saket and like some certain things. Okay. Let's see if it is clearly mentioned that Kalyan was someone. After this there was BR, And now let's check the numbers of what is mentioned over here. Kiran was not the first among the 6 person. Okay, so what? Kiran will not be the 6th, 5th and 1. Kiran will not be the 6th, 5th and 1. So Kiran will not be the 6th person, 6th stoppage, 6th, 5th and 1. So Kiran will not be the 6th person, 5th person or 1st person. Okay. It is mentioned that Karan can neither be the 6th person. Karan cannot be the last person to get off the bus. It is clearly mentioned in our question. And it is mentioned that there is before of Karan there is a stoppage named as Saket. If Karan is not at number 6, then how it is possible that Saket stoppage will be at number 6? So therefore Saket will also not be at the number 6. Okay. Now Kalyan and BR. Kalyan and BR, there is also some consideration of that. Okay. Now it is said that Kumar will not be the first person to get off the bus. So we have to write inform here that Kumar will not be the first person to get off the bus. It's clear. He can neither be the 6th person, because if he will be the 6th person, then Krishna will be the 7th person. And after Krishna there is also a Dadar stoppage which will be the 8th spot. So we have only 6 spot over here. So we can't consider Kumar at 6th. We cannot consider him either at 5th also. Because if we will consider Kumar at 5th, then Krishna will be at number 6 and the other will be at number 7. We have only sufficient 6 spot left here. Okay. So it is clearly mentioned that he can be at number 2, number 3 or number 4. Okay. According to this assumption, we can also clearly mention that if Kiran will not be at number 6, 5 or 1, he can be at 2, 3 or 4. Now let's arrange this according to this question. Now it is given that Kiran can be, now let's assume it. Now if Kiran will be at number 2, if Kiran will be at number 2, and if Kiran will be at number 2, then Kumar will be at number 4 and Krishna will be at number 5 and our 5th stop will be at Dadar. And now which is like remainings will be of Saket. Saket is at number 6. Okay, so Saket can neither be at number 6 now, because it is clearly mentioned that Saket cannot be at number 6. Therefore, our assumption of Kiran at number 2 is not possible. If we will assume Kiran at number 2, then Kumar will be at number 3, or Krishna will be at number 4, and the other will be at number 6. The remaining will be of Karan. So he cannot be at number 6, and Saket can also be at number 6. So therefore, we cannot consider our number point 2. Okay. Now let's consider number 3. If we consider Kiran at number 3, okay. If we will consider Kiran at number 3, then can Kumar will be at number 4? If Kiran will be at number 3, then Kumar will be at number 4, Krishna will be at number 5 and the other will be at number 6. This can be a assumed condition for now. Okay. According to this condition, if we will assume Kiran is at number 3 spot, then Kumar cannot be at number 2, neither he will be at number 4, he will have to be at number 4, he will neither be at number 2 nor will be at number 3, so he will have to be at number 4. So Kiran will be at number 3, Kumar will be at number 4 and Krishna will be at number 5 and our Dadar stoppage will be at number 6. We have got our assumption till yet. And it is given here that Karan cannot, now we have got that since Kiran is at number 4, he cannot be at number 3, he cannot be at number 4. So Kiran's spot is at number 3, Kumar's spot is at number 4 and Krishna number 5 and the other is at number 6. We can now state it here that Karan cannot be at number 6 and he cannot also be at number 1 because before him there is a stoppage named as Saket. Okay. Now Saket cannot be number 6. Saket cannot be number 2, Saket cannot be number 3, cannot be at number 5, cannot be at number 6. So Saket cannot be at number 6, 3, 5 or 4 because number 4 spot has been taken by Kumar, number 5 has been taken by Krishna and Saket and the other has been taken by number 6 and Egmore has been taken at, like Krishna has taken at number 3. So Saket cannot be at number 2 also now because here Karan cannot be at number 1 because there is one more spot before him which is taken for Saket, and now we have to consider that Saket is at number 1 and Karan is at number 2. We have got the spots assumption of this particular conditionings. now we can see that Saket, whatever the stop Saket is, whoever comes out over from the Saket, he will be at number 1. The Karan will be at number 2, Kiran will be at number 3, Kumar will be at number 4, Krishna will be at number 5, Dadar will be at number 6. Now let's assume the stop of Kumar. Kumar cannot get out at Secretariats, neither he can get out at Egmore, neither he can get out at Dadar. Okay, so he cannot get out at Saket also, because he is at number 4, Saket is at number 1. So he cannot get out at Saket. He cannot get out at Saket. He also cannot get out at Egmore. The stops which are left for him is like BR. Okay. And before BR there is Kalyan, which have to be at some point. So we can say that Secretariats cannot be a number of Kumar, Egmore cannot be a number of Kumar, and Dadar can also not be a number of Kumar, and Saket can also not be a number of Kumar. So we have to assume that Kumar will come out at Esplanade. Now it is assured that he will come out at Esplanade. Now let's change the color. Esplanade. Kumar will come out of Esplanade. And if Kumar will come out of Esplanade, which means that Krishna will not come out at Esplanade, neither Dadar, neither Egmore, neither he can come out at Saket. What will be left for him? It will be left at Secretariats, Secretariats. And now, since we have got Esplanade, Secretariats, Dadar, Kalyan cannot get out at BR. Okay, Kalyan cannot get out at Egmore. Kalyan cannot get out. So Kalyan is a spot for Saket. Now Kalyan will come at Saket because Saket is at number 1, and Kalyan will take the spot of number 1. He will be the first person to get out of the bus. Because now after Kalyan stoppage there is BR. Now since Kalyan has got the Saket, now after Saket there will be BR. Here is, I guess, our question has been solved. There is one person left. Like who is going to come out at Dadar? So the remaining one of them, Kalyan, we have got Karan, we have got Kiran, we have got Krishna, Kumar. Only Kirtan is left, I guess. Yes, only Kirtan is left. So Kirtan will come out at Dadar. Okay. Now here is the solution of this question. Okay. Now what our question says that who got off the bus at Dadar? Okay, who got off the bus at Dadar? Like Kirtan got out of the bus at Dadar. Kirtan will be the correct option. Now says that what's the second question? Who was the first person among the 6 to get off the bus? Who was the first person among the 6 to get off? Who was the first person? Who is at the first stop? Now first stop is at Kalyan. So Kalyan will get off the bus first. Okay. Now what's the second question? How much of the 6% got off the bus before the bus stop at Secretariats? How much of the 6% got off the bus before the bus stops of Secretariats? How much of the 6% got off the bus? Which means that this question says that how much of the 6% got off the bus before the stoppage of Secretariats? Secretariats is what? Secretariats is for Krishna. Krishna is at number 4. So before Krishna is at number 5. So before number 5 there are like 4 spots. So there are like at least number four number of persons who came out of the stoppage of Secretariats. Now what the fourth question says to us, like which of the following pair of person got off the bus at consecutive bus stops? It is clearly mentioned that among these 4 conditions, which one is of that, like one of them have came out as a pair, like Kalyan and Kiran? No. Is there Kalyan and Kiran? No. Is there Karan and Krishna? No. Karan and Krishna? No. Karan and Krishna? Yeah. Karan and Kiran? Yeah, it is clearly mentioned that Karan and Kiran, number 2 and number 3 spot, Karan and Kiran has came out as pair in this consideration of arrangement. So here is the solution of this video. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine of your today's test. So that's all for today. I hope I can clear you this question. So thank you.